Learning with Miss Houston, so much fun. So much fun. We learn through play using our imagination. Taking adventures to discover new things. Thinking outside the box to spark our creativity. Learning with Miss Houston. Come on, let's go.
Hi, scholars. I'm Miss Houston. What's your name? That is an amazing name. Will you help my friend Mr. Frog get across the number line to be with his other frog friends? You will? Awesome! In order to help him, we have to count by ones on a number line. Can you say number line? A number line is a visual representation of numbers on a straight line. When you move to the right, the numbers increase. That means they get bigger. Can you say increase? When you move to the left, the numbers decrease. That means they get smaller. Let me hear you say decrease. Increase, bigger. Decrease, smaller. As we count, we can also hop like a frog. We're going to start at the number 1 and go all the way until we get to the number 20. Are you ready? If you're ready, let me hear you say ready. I didn't hear you that well. Can you say it a little louder, please? Say, ready. Whoa, I think you're ready. Are you ready, Mr. Frog? Well, let's get to hopping. We're already on 0, so we don't have to say 0. We're gonna count on, starting with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yay, we made it to the number 20. And now, Mr. Frog has joined his other frog friends. Great job counting.
Let's subtract with Miss Houston. 5 little kangaroos jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more kangaroos jumping on the bed. Jumping, jumping all day long. Jumping, jumping while I'm singing this song. Jumping, jumping with my kangaroo friends. Jumping, jumping like the fun will never end. 4 little kangaroos jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more kangaroos jumping on the bed. Jumping, jumping with a smile on my face. Jumping so high I could go to outer space. Jumping, jumping with no shoes on my feet. Jumping, jumping while I groove to the beat. 3 little kangaroos jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more kangaroos jumping on the bed. Jumping, jumping like there's lava on the floor. Jumping, jumping till I can't anymore. Jumping, jumping with my hands in the air. Jumping, jumping like I just don't care. 2 little kangaroos jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more kangaroos jumping on the bed. Jumping, jumping all by myself. Jumping, jumping, don't need anybody else. Jumping, jumping while I do my dance. jumping on the bed. They listened to their mama like the doctor said. They got under the covers and went to bed. Now there's no kangaroos jumping on the bed. When I jump, I feel so good inside. When I jump, the excitement I can't hide. I like to jump in my own silly way. Jumping so fun, I could jump all day. Jumping all day long. Jumping while I'm singing this song. Jumping with my kangaroo friends. Jumping like the fun will never end. Jumping with a smile on my face. Jumping, I could go to outer space. Jumping with no shoes on my feet. Jumping while I groove to the beat. Jumping like there's lava on the floor. Jumping till I can't anymore. Jumping with my hands in the air. Jumping like I just don't care. Jumping all by myself. Jumping, don't need anybody else. Jumping while I do my dance. Jumping with no hands. Phenomenal job subtracting and jumping, scholars. Thanks for learning with Miss Houston. See you next time.
Hey, do you see that? It's Mrs. Frog. Hi, Mrs. Frog. Mrs. Frog got left behind. Will you help Mrs. Frog get across the number line to be with Mr. Frog and their other frog friends? In order to help her get across, we have to count backwards on the number line. That means we're going to move to the left. And do you remember what happens when we move left on the number line? The numbers decrease. Very good. We're going to start at the number 20 and count backwards until we get to the number 1. And as we count, don't forget to hop. Are you ready? If you're ready, let me hear you say ready. Are you ready, Mrs. Frog? We're already on the number 20, so we don't have to say 20. We'll just count on. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We made it! Thank you so much for helping Mr. and Mrs. Frog get across the pond to be with their other frog friends. You're an amazing counter. Bye, frogs. Have fun.
Let's sing If You're Happy and You Know It with Miss Houston. I'm so excited, I cannot hide it. I want to get my wiggles out. I feel delighted, I cannot fight it. I'm gonna get my wiggles out. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really wanna show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy, smile big and share a smile. Put a smile on your face, let it stay a while. Everyone smiles in the same language. If your smile's upside down, I wanna change it. If you're happy, wave your hands up high. If you're happy, wave your hands down low. If you're happy, look at your neighbor. Take one hand and wave hello. If you're happy, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle like you're tickled. If you're happy, jiggle, jiggle like body's made of jelly. Rub your head, now use coordination. Take your other hand and rub your belly. Happily, I jump happily. I jump for joy, I'm filled with happy naturally. When I walk down the street, my happy's so big that it jumps on the people that are passing me. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head up and down. If you're happy and you know it, make your feet stomp the ground. If you're happy and you know it, say real loud. If you're happy and you know it, spin your fist around. I'm happy from my head down to my toes. I'm happy and I'm gonna let it show. My happy meter's full, it overflows. I'm happy, can't you see my happy glow? I'm happy and I'll let it show. Put a pep in my step, now it's happy tempo. When I'm happy by myself, call it happy solo. Spread my happy like Cupid with my happy arrow. I'm happy and I know it, catch my happy, I'll throw it. My happy saves the day, call that happy heroic. If you're near me when I'm happy, there's no way to avoid it. My happy is everywhere, you might as well enjoy it. If you're happy and you know it, smiling's contagious, let me see you show it. If you're happy, clap your hands like this. If you're happy, smile real big. If you're happy, wave hello. If you're happy, wiggle jiggle like jello. If you're happy, do it at the same time. If you're happy, jump up high. If you're happy, nod, stomp. If you're happy, say I am HAPPY. Paint, I'm happy in the sky. Amazing job spreading happiness, scholars. Thanks for singing with Miss Houston. See you next time.
Let's play a game. This game is called Which Number Does Not Belong? All the other numbers will match each other, and there's going to be a number that does not belong in that group. Will you help me solve the puzzle? Yes? Great. Do you see a number that does not look like the other numbers? You do? Which number do you see that does not belong? The number 3. Yes, the number 3 does not belong. All of the other numbers are the number 1. 3 doesn't belong there. Silly 3. Okay, let's look at the next group of numbers. I see a number that doesn't belong. Do you? Which number is it? The number 6, correct. All the other numbers are the number 9. That was tricky. The number 6 looks like an upside down number 9. So sometimes people get those numbers confused. See you later, number 6. You do not belong with number 9. Do you see the number that doesn't belong? Can you help me find which number doesn't belong? That's right. The number 1. The number 1 doesn't belong with the number 4. See you later, number 1. Oh, they tried to trick us. Do you see a number that doesn't belong? Me either. All these numbers belong because they are all the number 8. Very good. Excellent job identifying the numbers that do not belong.
Let's learn about the weather with Miss Houston. What's the weather like? How does it feel outside? What's on the forecast for today? Will I need a raincoat? Do I need some sunscreen? Should I put a jacket on today? What's the weather like? giant snowman. If it's windy, I'll fly a kite in the sky and guide it while it's soaring. What's the weather like today? I want to go outside and play. If it's raining, go away, 'cause I wanna play outside all day. It's raining, I'll get my raincoat and boots to splash in the puddles as the raindrops fall from the sky, drip, 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 hitting my umbrella. And if it starts to storm, I'll go inside. The lightning and the thunder makes me want to hide. Until the storm blows over, I'll play inside and wait for the sun to dry up the sky. What's the weather like? How does it feel outside? What's on the forecast for today? Will I need a raincoat? Do I need some sunscreen? Should I put a jacket on today? What's the weather like today? I want to go outside and play. If it's raining, go away, 'cause I wanna play outside all day. Sunny means the sun is shining bright. Cloudy means the clouds fill up the sky. Windy means the air is blowing fast. Stormy means the thunder booms and lightning flashes. Snowy means the ice crystals are frosted. Rainy means the water drops are falling. Sunny, cloudy, snowy, windy, rainy, stormy. Look outside your window. What's the weather like? How does it feel outside? What's on the forecast for today? Will I need a raincoat? Do I need some sunscreen? Should I put a jacket on today? What's the weather like today? I want to go outside and play. If it's raining, go away, 'cause I wanna play outside all day. What's the weather like today where you live? Wow! It looks like you're going to have an amazing day. Terrific job identifying the different types of weather, scholars. Thanks for learning with Miss Houston. See you next time.
Aw, look at the baby giraffe. It's so cute. But she has a sad face. There's a problem. She's really hungry, but isn't tall enough to reach the leaves on the tree. I know how we can help. If we can identify how many circles are on each 10 frame, her neck will grow longer and longer until she's tall enough to reach the leaves. Can you say 10 frame? A 10 frame is a rectangular frame made up of 10 boxes. 5 boxes on top and 5 boxes on the bottom, which gives us a total of 10. That's why we call it a 10 frame. 1 circle goes in each box. Let's count how many circles we see. And as we count, we can clap. Are you ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3. There are 3 circles on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There are 5 circles on the 10 frame. 1. 1. There is 1 circle on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. There are 8 circles on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. There are 10 circles on the 10 frame. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. There are 4 circles on the 10 frame. This time, I'm going to clap and let you count all by yourself. There are 2. That's right. 2 circles on the 10 frame. And look, the baby giraffe is finally tall enough to reach the leaves on the tree. Have a great lunch, baby giraffe.
Let's go for a ride on the bus with Miss Houston. The wheels on the bus go round and around, round and around, round and around. The wheels on the bus go round and around, all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 vroom. The motor on the bus goes vroom, 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 all through the town. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 wah. The babies on the bus go wah, 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 all through the town. The grown-ups on the bus go the grown-ups on the bus go all through the town. The parents on the bus go, I love you, I love you, I love you. The parents on the bus go, I love you, all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and around, round and around, round and around. The wheels on the bus go round and around, all through the town, all through the town, all through the town. Thanks for riding on the bus with Miss Houston. See you next time.
Our friend the turtle is about to have a race against the hare. Let's help the turtle speed up to win the race by turning numbers from standard form into word form. Standard form is when we write numbers with numbers, like this, the number 1. Let me hear you say standard form. Great job! Word form is when we write numbers with letters, like this, O-N-E. Let me hear you say word form. Excellent! This is the standard form of the number 1. This is the word form of the number 1. As we spell each number in word form, let's spin our fist around to help the turtle gain speed. Are you ready? The first number is the number 3. Get those fists ready. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. The next number is 6. 6. S-I-X. 6. 4. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 10. 10. T-E-N. 10. 2. 2. T-W-O. 2. 9. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Look at the turtle go! Great job, turtle! The turtle won the race. Thanks to you. Let's sing Old MacDonald with Miss Houston. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a donkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a hee-haw here and a hee-haw there. Here a hee, there a haw, everywhere a hee-haw. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and a oink oink there. Here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a turkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there. Here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble gobble. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. 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 Awesome job identifying those farm animals, scholars. Thanks for learning with Miss Houston. See you next time.